Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome Halloween swag. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, I'll fold it in half and pull the right side here. Let's fold it in half. I'm going to tuck it down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. And I'm going to now get started. This is a swag I bought at Walmart and I just cut it down. So I'm just going to lay my pieces in here, starting with the longest pieces. Then I'm going to take my roses. I love this swag because it's just these great black fun Halloween pieces. Put the pumpkins in here, another pumpkin, put it that way. And you have these great roses with the silver on them. Just lay that in there, take another rose. Then the other thing that I love about this is you have the silver on the leaves as well. Just lay these down in here, take this here, and then what I'm going to do is take, what I also did is bought at Walmart the 97-cent pieces of fabric, and I just folded the fabric over. Let's fold this piece over here so that you won't see the white side. All you're going to see is the red or the black side. So we'll lay that down in there. We're just doing a little scrunchy bow. I'm going to just take this piece of black ribbon that I have and just lay that down in here. And then take my black sugar skull fabric, which again I paid 97 cents for. I'm just going to lay that down in there. Then I'm going to take my pumpkin and lay that right down in my center. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, pull it up, pull it through my slip knot, and pull this very tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot and tie another knot. Now this could be really cute to put on a wreath or as a door swag, or even a lantern swag. And now what I'm going to do is just shape out so that you can see my beautiful flowers. Shape everything here. Bring this up here. Shape these flowers on this side and on that side. And there's one last rose here. And now you have this adorable Halloween swag that was so super simple to make and extremely inexpensive.